Hi, everyone, welcome back to Life Facts Hacks. Today, I'm going to show you a really cool trick. How to mirror the screen of one Android phone onto another Android phone. Now, why is this useful? Well, imagine these situations. You want to show your friend a video, but they don't want to crowd around your small screen. A parent wants to guide their child through using an app on their phone, step by step. Or maybe you're troubleshooting someone's phone remotely and want to see what's happening in real time. Screen mirroring between phones can save time, make sharing content easier, and even help with teaching or problem solving. First, to mirror one phone's screen onto another, we need an app. One of the best free ones is called Power Mirror. Just head over to the Play Store on both phones and install the same app. On the phone that you want to mirror, open the app and tap on Share or Send Screen. The app will generate a code or link. Now on the other phone, the one that will receive the screen mirroring. Open the same app and tap on View or Receive. Enter the code provided by the sender phone, and boom, the screen instantly appears on the second device. You can now watch videos, view apps, or help someone navigate their phone. All mirrored onto your screen. Some apps even let you enable voice chat, so you can guide them while seeing exactly what's happening. And that's it. Super simple and very useful. Screen mirroring from one Android phone to another is a great hack for teaching, helping someone fix their phone, or even just sharing media. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Life Facts Hacks for more easy Android tips and real-life hacks. See you in the next one.